morning, friends. Today is the 7th of Feb, and I'm Shuchi Rungta presenting you the morning market update. The Nifty lost 89 points over the day to close at 17,764. Most sectors ended lower, with metal index as the top loser. The constant drama around the Adani Group continued. The market breadth was neutral. We had some stock-specific action in the mid-cap and the small-cap space. Technically speaking, we had an inside candle where Nifty moved in a 100-point range. Not much change in the technical chart setup, which we spoke about yesterday. We still closely watch the budget day high and the low. On the derivative option chain, we saw 17,800 call strike open interest increase. Coming to the US indices, Russell 2000, S&P 500 and Nasdaq were negative 0.5 to 1%, whereas Dow remained flat. Dollar index has bounced from its support of 101.5 levels and currently trades at 103.5. SGX Nifty currently is 80 points positive, indicating a gap up opening. To conclude, we must keep the levels in mind. 17,800 where call writing has been seen will also act as a minor resistance. Levels for the day, Nifty support will be seen at 17,590 and 17,490. Resistance 17,800 and 18,000. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 40,600 and 39,860. Resistance 41,600 and 42,000. Thank you.